Yes, look at the next question now that we are done the 64th question, the last slide. So we are going to do 65 question now. Look at 65 question, what it says now. In the question is given, two equal resistances are connected in a gaps of a meter base. Means they given on the left gap, on the right gap. The resistance, how much is there? We don't know, but it is equal. That's the given here. If the resistance in the left gap is increased by 10%, see here now, it is very important. So initially, okay, let me take a left gap, right gap. So it is left and right gap in a meter bits. Initially, the resistance was equal. Let's say R and R. Now, if the resistance in the left gap is increased by 10%, so now new resistance, let's say R1. Okay, this is R1, this is S1. So in now R2 is how much now? See, left gap increased by 10% means what now? R plus 10% of R. Increased by, right? R plus 10% of R, it will become what now? R by 10, R by 100. So it will become what now? 1, 10, R by 100. So it is 11 by 10 times of R. That is a new resistance. On right side, anything is a given S2? No, it will be same as it is. Now we need to find the balancing point shift. We need to find in percentage. Means we need to find what now? Delta L by L into 100. That is the question we need to find. So now I'm going to take the first condition, next condition. I'm going to use. Initially, they are not shifted, means they are not right. Okay. So we're going to take what now? Balancing length we're going to find. So give me a few seconds. Yes. Initially, they are equal resistors, right? First case, this is what we call case 1. This is what we call case 2. Now, when they're equal, so we're going to take case 1 here. So balancing length become what now it is? R1 by S1 equal to L by 100 minus L. R1 is R, S1 is R is equal to L by 100 minus L. We're going to cancel, it has become 1. So we can say 100 minus L equal to L. So I can say L equal to 50 centimeter directly. This will come, it will become 2 times of L, L equal to 50 centimeter case 1. Look at now case number 2. So now balancing is different now. It is what now? Okay. So R2 by S2 is equal to a new balancing length. I'll take L dash divided by 100 minus L dash. R2 is how much, sir? 11 by 10 R. Divided by S2 remains same. R is equal to L dash by how much, sir? 100 minus L dash. R and R is going to cancel. It is 11 by 10 equal to L dash divided by 100 minus L dash. So we're going to simplify this one now. I'm going to take what now? 10 by 11 equal to 100 minus L dash by L dash. So I need to continue the simplification. It will become what now? 10 by 11 plus 1 equal to 100 by L dash, because I'm going to separate denominator. I'm going to shift 1 to the right hand side. So if I continue here, this portion here, it will become what now? 11, it will become 21 by 11 equal to 100 by L dash. So it will become L dash is what now? L dash is now 11 into 100 divided by 21. So that is L dash. We are going to get what now? 11 into 100 by 21. And if you do this calculation, you get what now? You get 52.38. 52.38 centimeter L dash. Now we have to find actually this one. So delta L means what now? L dash minus L by L into 100. I need to find out. L dash how much you got, sir? 52.38 minus L initially how much we got, sir, here? 50 centimeter. So 50 divided by L, how much it is? 50 into 100. So it will become what now? 2.38 by 50 into 100. So 2.38 by 50 into 100, you get what now? 4.8%. Since it is multiply 100, no, it is in percent itself. So you get what now? 4.8%. Actually, you're going to get what 4.76. This actual value is how much now? You're going to get 4.76. You're going to get after multiplying all those things 4.76%. So since there is no 4.76, nearest value is what now? 4.8. We are going to use 4.8. Okay. So this is what we're going to do it now. Yeah. So it will become what now, students? 4.8%. So this need to remember this formula. This is always helping in many cases. That is change. Change we are going to find. Change in what now? In percentage we are going to find. Okay, that's the question. Answer it is. Okay. So can we move on to the next question, students? This question is clear. Can we move to next question? Yes. Next question. Look at the question number now. 66. When unknown resistance and resistance of 4 ohm are used in left and right gap. So left gap, how much it is now? Unknown resistance, we don't know. Question mark. And in the right gap, that is yes, right? It will be how much now? 4 ohm. The balancing point is how much now? L equal to 50 centimeter. Balancing point is how much? 50 centimeter we got, right? Shift in a balancing point. If 4 ohm resistance is now connected in parallel to the right gap. So to this right gap, we're going to connect what now? A 4 ohm resistance additionally. Again, left gap, we don't know, question mark. And to the right gap, we connect what now? 4 ohm resistance in parallel combination. So it will become what now? It will become 4 into 4 by 4 plus 4. It will become 8 by, not 8 by, 16 by 8. It will become what now? 2. Second case. Now they're asking shift. So now I need to find out a new balancing length first. And by taking a difference, I can find the shift in balancing. Now, initial case, we don't know. Let's say it is X. Let's say this is also X. Or you can keep R also even, not an issue. So it will become what now? R by S is how much, sir? 4 is equal to balancing length. Initially, how much, sir? It is 50. So it is what now? 50 by 100 minus 50, again 50. It will become same. So R become what now, sir? R become 4 ohm now. So I'm going to use second case now. Second case, R by S is how much? 2, right? So 2 is equal to new balancing length. We don't know. L dash by 100 minus L dash. R is we got 4. So it is 4 by 2 equal to L dash by 100 minus L dash. We're going to cancel it 2 times. So we're going to do cross multiplication. It will be 200 minus 2 L dash is equal to L dash. So 200 is equal to 3 times of L dash. So L dash equal to how much now? 200 by 3. This is not answer. It is not answer. They're asking what now? They're asking a shift. Shift means what now? Into difference I need to find out now. Means how much it is shifted. So initially like this it was there. L. And now it is like this much is there. L dash. So that I need to find out this gap. Delta L I need to find out. This gap I need to find out. So I'm going to find shift now. That is L dash minus L. L dash is how much, sir? 200 by 3 minus 50 initially. So it will be what now? 200 minus 150 by 3. So it will be 50 by 3, right? So that is what we call L dash minus L. That is the question is given what now? Shift. 50 by 3 centimeter. That is the answer here. 50 by 3 centimeter. Okay. That is the question about the shift in balancing length. Okay, this question is clear. So we'll go to next question now. Question number 67. Look at the question number 67. Two unknown resistance X and Y are connected in the left and right gap. Left means always I'm taking what now? R. Right gap means yes it is. Okay. Okay, left gap R is what now? X, and right gap S is what now? Y. In a meter bridge, and the balancing length obtained how much? 60 centimeter. Say, let's say L is what now? 16 centimeter. It is from left gap again. That you need to remember. This balancing length 6 centimeter from where it is? Left gap. 60 centimeter from left gap. From the left gap. When 20 ohm resistance is connected in parallel to X, means in a left gap. So new resistance, let's say S1 R1. So it is R1 become what? Now 20 parallel, right? So it will become 20 X by 20 plus X. The resistance in parallel to X. The balancing length become what now? 50 centimeter. So yes, they are not given anything. So let's say S also same thing. So new balancing, let's say L dash become 50 centimeter. See here, the thing I want to say you, in the left gap, resistance decreases. Right gap remains same, means it is increases now. Balancing line shift towards what now? Towards the decrease in resistance, right? So since parallel combination, there must be a decrease in resistance. It must decrease, right? So that's the reason new length become what now? 50 centimeter. Now we have to calculate what now? X and Y we are going to calculate from this. Now I'm going to take case 1 here. Again, case 2. I'm going to use these two now, case 1, case 2. So I'm going to write R1 by S1 equal to, okay, directly I'm writing 60 centimeter, L by it is 40. R1 by S1 means what now? It is X by Y equal to 6 by 4. So I can take now it implies X by Y equal to 3 by 2. Okay, one equation you got. Now look at the case number 2 now. Case 2. So it is what now? R2, it is not R1, it is R2. R2 by S2 is equal to, they given new balance is 50 centimeter, right? So 50 by 100 minus 50, again 50. So R2 is what now? R2 is given, we have found already 20x by 20 plus x. Whole divided by S2 is how much? Y. That is equal to 1. So y will go this side. It will become 20x divided by 20 plus x equal to y. So we're going to simplify here now. Look at in this equation, what is the value of y? Y equal to, I can say 2x by 3. So we're going to use here. So 20x by 20 plus x equal to 2x by 3. So x and numerator is going to cancel. It will become what now? 20 by 20 plus x equal to 2 by 3. And this is going to cancel by 10 times. Okay, I'll continue here. Okay, let me take red. Okay, this I'm going to take reciprocal now. I'll take reciprocal. I'll continue here. This portion, it will be 20 plus x by 10 is equal to 3 by 1. It is cancelled. So it will become 20 plus x equal to cross multiplication will give us 30. Then x equal to what? 10 we are going to get. X is what we got? 10 we got. So from this equation, y we can find out, right? So y equal to 2 into x is 10 divided by 3. So it will become what now? 20 by 3. That's it. So we got x and we got y. So first option is correct answer. So it is 20 by 3 and the 10. Okay, that's the question number 67. Okay, let us have a look at the next question now. So 68 and 69, two more questions are left. Let us finish off today. These two questions related to what now? Meter bridge also. Look at next question now. While reading the question, you should be very careful actually. Each and every word is very important. Okay. When two resistance 50 by 3 and unknown resistance are connected in what now? Left and right gap. Okay, left gap means I'll go for R with how much now it is 50 by 3 and right gap. Okay, it is yes. Right gap is what now? Yes, we don't know. Unknown it is. Yes, we don't know. And now let's say question mark. Let us put later. Or we take S later S only. Okay, the balancing length is how much? 70 centimeter. So L we get how much, students, sir? 70 centimeter we get. When resistance X is connected parallel to 50 by 3 ohm. Okay, so now it is R1, okay, S1. So next R2, so X is kind of parallel, right? So it will become what now? 50 by 3 X divided by 50 by 3 plus X, parallel combination. Okay, yes, they're not mentioned anything. So S2 also we don't know, question mark, but it will be same thing. So let's say now it is yes and yes. So balancing length becomes 35. Means new balancing length it is. There is a word, this word is very important. It is. Sometimes they'll give become, they'll give by, they'll give to. The becomes 35 means it is total length is 35 centimeter now. Okay, again I'm telling you. See, as a resistance in the left gap decreases, balancing length decreases. So it is by 70. Initially, it was now how much it is? 35. Okay, so this is clear now. So now we are going to find out what now we are going to find out. The thing is what now we are going to find out. Let's find how much unknown is there using first case. It is again case number 1. It is again case number 2. So using case number 1, I want to use the condition R1 by S1 is equal to 70 by 30. I'm going to do directly now. So R1 is what now? R 50 by 3. And by S1 we don't know. Yes, we take is equal to 50 by 3. Okay, 7 by 3 it is. Now do cross multiplication now. So it will be what now? 50 by 3 times of S is equal to 7 by 3. Now S we want, right? 3 and 3 is going to cancel. So yes, we are going to get what now? 50 by 7. Ohm. So case 1 is what now? 50 by 7 ohm we are going to get. So next we are going to find what now? Second case, let me take with different color. Case 2. Case 2, what we're going to do now? Look at now. Second case, R2 by S2. R2 by S2 is equal to new balance like 35, right? So 35 divided by 100 minus 35 means 65, right? Okay, now R2 is given something here. Okay, let us simplify this one here. Little more. It will be what now? 50x by 3 all divided by it is 50 plus 3x by 3. This 3 is going to cancel. It will become 50x divided by 50 plus 3x. Now we use here. Now this is for what now? We use for R2. So R2 is what now? We get 50x divided by 50 plus 3x is equal to 35 by 65. We are going to cancel this one. So using what number? Using number 5. So 5 7 ja 13. So it will become what now? 7 by 13. It will be what now? 7 by 13. So now we need to simplify what now, sir? We need to simplify. Okay, something is missing here, right? Yes, it is missing. Yes, it is missing. What is missing? Yes, 2 I did not take, sir. Yes, 2 is what now, sir? Yes. And yes, how much you got now? 50 by 7. That we did not take. That you need to follow. So it is 7 by 30. Now we're going to do this one. So I'm going to send this one to this side. It will become what now? 50x by 50 plus 3x is equal to 7 by 13 into 7 by 50. Okay. Wait, 50 by 7 it is. Okay, it is not 7 by 50, 50 by 7 it is. Because we are just sending that side, right? 50 by 7, 7 and 7 is going to cancel. I am to simplify now. It will be 50x divided by 50 plus 3x is equal to 50 by 13. 50 and 50 is going to cancel. I'm going to take reciprocal now. 50 plus 3x by x equal to 13. So I'm going to simplify here. Let us take here. So it is, I'm going to do cross multiplication simply. 50 plus 3x equal to 13x. Send x this side. It will become 50 equal to 10x. Then x equal to what now? You get 5 ohm. That's the way the answer now. Here's the answer. So you're going to get what now? 5 ohm you're going to get. So that's the value of x that will be connected in parallel to what now? To the left gap. Okay, parallel to what now? Left gap. Let us have a last question of the class today. Okay, yes. Look at the last question now. So what we're doing should be mindfully. So then only it will be useful for us. In a meter bridge experiment, two unknown resistance x and y are found in left and right gap. They given x and y. So left gap means I'll take what now? R, that is x. Right gap means I'll take what now? Yes, that is y. Connected left and right gap of a meter bridge, and the balancing point obtained at 20 centimeter from left. So L is equal to what now? 20 centimeter. The new position of null point. Null point means what, students? Balancing length. Again we will find it. If left gap, okay, left is, okay, from the left, if one decides to become the resistance of 4x and x, 4x against y. Now second case is what now? Second case is this is R1, S1. Second case R2, it is 4x. S2, it is what now? Y. So now I need to find new balancing length. That's it. It is like same previous question, same like this it is. Okay. Again, case 1, case 2. Case 1, case 2. Case 1, case 2 is simplify now. Look at my case 1 I'm going to take now. See here, the question is, if one decides balance a resistance of 4x against y, means left gap become 4x and right gap become y. That's it. So now I'm going to take now R1 by S1 equal to 20 centimeter, right? So it is 20 by 80. So it will become what now? R1 by S1 equal to 20 by 80. 20 by 80 means 1 by 4. Okay, so R1 S1 is given x and y, right? So x by y equal to 1 by 4. We got. I'm going to take now case number 2. So it is what now? R2 by S2 is equal to L dash, we don't know. So L dash by 100 minus L dash. We keep it as it is. Now R2 by S2 means what now? It is 4x by y equal to L dash by 100 minus L dash. See, already we know x by y, it is 4. So it will become 4 by 4 equal to L dash by 100 minus L dash. This is going to cancel, become 1. 1 equal to L dash divided by 100 minus L dash. Do cross multiplication. I'm going to continue here this portion now. So it will be 100 minus L dash is equal to L dash. So we get what now, students? L dash equal to 50 centimeter. Because this will come this side, it will become 2 times of L dash. So L dash equal to 100 by 2. So it will become 50 centimeter. That's the answer. Where is the answer here? 50 centimeter. That's the answer for a given question. Okay. So these are the few questions related to what now? Weisstone bridge, meter bridge, Kirchhoff laws, and that's it, right? Not and that's it. Weisstone bridge, Kirchhoff laws, first law, second law, and meter bridge. Okay, so there are many questions over there, but you need to do it mindfully. Solve many questions as much as possible from different textbook. Okay, you can ask the doubts. Okay, so in the last class, means the next session, we are going to continue with what now? Potentiometer concept and its questions related to potentiometer. So we can wind up this chapter also. Okay. Yes.